Alright, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to another episode of The Daily Grind kung saan pinag-uusapan natin everything to know about the stock market, everyday updates tayo sa market, etc. If you're a newbie in the stock market and in investing in the stock market, especially in trading, this is the right program for you. If you have any questions at all, meron ba kayo hindi naintindihan sa market, even yung galaw ng market, if you wanna consult something about the stock market, post it in the comments. Please post it in the comments para post it in the comments para masagot natin. I'll be using everything I know to answer you. Alright? I've been in the market for quite a while already. And so far, so good with the market. Update tayo. Yan po. PSEi on a green today is still a bounce, but the concerning part is net foreign selling na naman tayo. It's just 1.44 billion to be exact yung selling natin. That's a lot of money coming out from our market. Liitan ko lang yung ano para makita nyo. That's 1.44 billion worth of investment from foreign investors coming of the country. So, that's bad. Right? But ganito kasi, actually, naturo ko na sa inyo eh. We were able to catch this bounce of the market, which is what I've been teaching you the past couple of weeks, na pumosisyon na tayo, pwede na tayong magsimula, magplant na ng seeds, right? Investors entries already during this part of the market, right here, diba? And you should already be doing well in your trades as of now. If you will start at this kind of market, at this level right here, trading is already very, very challenging. You will need a lot of skills and experience to trade this kind of market. Itong sa bandang ito. Right? The reason why mahirap na i-trade dito is because the market is uncertain already. Compared to noon dito, sinabi ko sa inyo, pasukin nyo na, budigayin nyo na ito, ganito, ganyan. Right? That's my kind of trading. Actually, naturo ko na sa inyo. So right now, it's gonna be very hard to trade. Pero that's my kind of trading and I really want to impart that to you guys. Right now, the market, I'm even expecting the market to go sideways for a bit before doing what it really wants to do. I can't really say if it's gonna go up or not, but the economy is looking good. So it would surely go up in the future. It's just that medyo challenging na ang galaw ngayon. Right? We are up 48 points today, 0.70%, pero net foreign selling po tayo. So the rally right now, itong dalawang green na nakikita ninyo, is not that strong really at this point. Right? So punta tayo sa mga comments ninyo in a bit. Teka lang ha. Transfer muna tayo ng music. Masyadong hype kasi yun eh. Let's go to the comments. Really quick, puntahan natin mga comments nyo. Do you have any questions? I know what do you call this? I promised you about update kay Valkyrie today. Actually, okay na siya. Na-set up na siya. It's just that we're talking with a different broker. Right? Yung Valkyrie kasi is into scalping. Medyo nahihirapan siya sa XM. It's not performing as efficient as it should be. Gumikita siya pero hindi gaano dun sa expected natin because of XM spread. So we're partnering up with a broker right now and bukas po ma-finalize. So bukas ko na i-update kayo about Valkyrie. How do you get it? If you are already in our chat room po para sa trend follower na bot natin. If you're already in there, communicate with our admins, pwede na kayong actually, we don't call it reservation. It's just that pwede na kayong magpa-process. The processing takes around 3 to 4 days, pinaka-max 5 days from creating your account from the new brokerage, not XM, right? Hindi na kasi XM. So that takes around 1 to 3 days. And then approval for the Valkyrie bot. Sasend natin yan sa may-ari ng bot sa States. And then once it's already done, plus the payment's already there, you should be able to start with your Valkyrie trade already. The funny thing is, Valkyrie, I was expecting yung trader natin is gonna be doing well last week since nag-uptrend ng USD. Kaso wala, nahirapan siya kasi the positions it opened were on a downtrend USD and biglang nag-reversal na si USD. Umakyat na si dollars ngayon last week. So, medyo ang dami niyang cut loss. But that happens, right? That happens. It's not all the time. Minsan lang naman yung reversals So, overall trend, right? Overall trend ni USD, it's been at around at 46, 47 for the past few months. From 54, it was on a downtrend. Nag-plateau na siya and then ngayon paakyat na naman. So, minsan na naman yung reversal so it happens sometimes. Pero si Valkyrie was earning last week while so many bots out there were losing during the reversal of the markets, of the forex, of the currencies, diba? So, very interesting. Valkyrie, yun yung sinasabi ko sa inyo. Ang ganda kasi ng Valkyrie. Even during the reversal, it was still earning. Anyways, we'll talk more about that tomorrow. We'll go to the comments. Ayan. Ishi Marimat, good evening, Sir Lloyd. Good evening po. Alfredo Kisto, magandang gabi. Laura, magandang gabi. Carla Abay, good evening po. Magandang gabi, Sir Lloyd. GSAT and plug po. Let's check it out in a bit. Ali po, sige, I'm gonna go through the comments and go through the charting. Wala naman tayong ganong topic for today. Update tayo sa mga markets. Tingnan natin yung mga positions ninyo. Kamustahin natin sila. CLI, grabe. Ang taas na naman. Hopefully, napasok niya noon pa. You were asking me before ano yung mga gusto kong stocks talaga. CLI was one of them. CLI has been on a tear right now. Medyo mataas na siya ngayon. So, I cannot recommend it anymore kahit na umakyat pa siya. So, kasi sobrang taas na. Alright, anyways, update tayo sa market. Bukas, pag-uusapan natin is something gonna be, that's interesting. A follower of mine asked me this, Sir Lloyd, pwede mo ba itong ma-discuss kahit sa daily grind or even through chat na ano ba yung maganda talaga to get a VUL insurance or do the BTID, BTID in term, buy term insurance and then invest the difference. So, we'll talk more about that tomorrow, right? I'm gonna give you my 2 cents actually, and I'm gonna give you my insights about that, right? Because being someone who is into insurance, was into investing, right? I think I can attest to both sides, right? The advantages and the disadvantages, and I can open this up to you guys. So, abangan nyo po bukas. We'll talk about that. I'll make a poster about. If you have friends who are into investing and in this question, invite them for the episode tomorrow. Gagawa ako ng poster about it. Okay? So, that's gonna be our topic for tomorrow. Hindi lang kasi puro stock market ang gusto ko pag-usapan. I want you to approach investment holistically, right? Holistically, hindi basta-basta pumupunta sa investments kaagad. You have to understand investments. You have to understand how to make a move on your money, which part of your money to invest in, where to invest, diba? I've been sharing you so many things, so many areas where to invest. Alright, anyways, let's move forward. Make question kanina for GSAT. Taas, man. Globestar, there was a breakout right here. That's the best entry right there. Medyo nakalip siya ngayon. So, wisest thing to do right now is always wait for a pullback. This is an exaggeration. Kahit sabihin mo sa akin na, Sir Lloyd, breakout po yan. Yes, that's a breakout. But this is exaggerated movement. An exaggerated movement will almost always be corrected. So, I will stand with that because that's the case of most stocks talaga. So this should do a pullback and then let it pull back na lang muna before you want to get in. The next bounce should be your entry point. Use that bounce as your support. That's for GSAT. Plug. Alright, plug power. Alright, resistance right here. Looking well, man. Okay naman yung position ni plug, Mukhang pa-breakout na. I think this should break out. Ang ganda ng volume yan. Magbe-breakout to. Wait for the confirm breakout. That will be your entry point for plug. Good find right there for plug. Ali po, sir. Right, let's check out Ali. Ayala Land Incorporated. Let me close this. Lumalaki from France Paulo Quevillas. Lumalaki Portco simula nung palagi ako nanonood dito. Nare-review ko araw-araw. Thanks, sir. You're welcome, man. Congratulations, Franz Paulo Quevillas. Buti naman, alright? That's really our purpose right now for the for everyone. Gusto purpose talaga natin when we enter the stock markets, dapat lumalaki import natin. One of the things I've been teaching you guys is be aggressive at the right time, how to approach the market during whatever phase it is. During the down phase, hinihintay ko lang talaga na medyo bumagal yung bagsak ng market, and I've been telling you the right mindset right now. Kahit na hindi pa uptrend ng market, is plant your seeds already, and there it is a few days after umakyat ang market. Congratulations sa mga sunod. Yung mga positions na healthy, I teach you how to approach it, what positions to avoid, and I'm very happy with these kinds of comments, news. Thank you so much, Franz. Alright, anyways, yan. Si Ali naman, let me load my chart layout, okay? Yan. Si Ali, ako, downtrend. Kamustahin ko lang si BTC USD kasi nag-downtrend yun eh. Ayun, bumabot ng 28. And starting to bounce, that's good. But, my friends, this is a new bottom, ha? That's a bearish bottom right there. So, I think this is gonna go red anytime soon. If you can short Bitcoin with your brokerage, then I would say short it, man. Nagbe-break na siya ng support. That's a bearish signal right there. Tayo nyo muna mag-red. Why? That's gonna be a lower low and a lower high. And that's a downtrend right there. Okay, so as for BTC USD, so sa mga nasa crypto dyan, kung itiingat lang muna sa crypto, we're looking at bear signals at this point in time. Pero meron din namang maganda signal. It touched the lower Bollinger Bands. We are not seeing any engulfing patterns right there. That's bad, right? That's bad. I don't like that. So, be cautious with Bitcoin. Right, anyways, tapos na rin ka-plug kay Ali yung gusto natin di ba? From Carla Abay, Ali, told you at MA20 bounce, that's your best entry point. We're gonna be reaching resistances for Ali. So hopefully mag-break out yan. If you wanna get in, I would say let it break out na lang muna since it's already starting to form a resistance. I think nagre-resistance na Ali. Medyo okay na MA20 lang sana kasi this is a very risky position right there. We have a resistance coming for Ali. So ingat lang. Good evening, Sir Lloyd. This is from Jose Lumba. Aji. Right, gamer. AGI. Alliance Global Group. Sideways trend right there. Pero si AGI kasi, on the short term, actually nagko-confirm siya ng support. It's a higher low right there. I would say, test this out. Meron tayong resistance dito. That's gonna be a very good trade right there. Range trade for you guys. SECB. Alright, SECB. Ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo, whenever it breaks the MA20, usually nagre-reset yung trend niya. Right now, we're seeing a downturn for SECB. We will for it to go back down. Tignan natin, baka abutin sa support na ito or should it stabilize anywhere soon. But right now, wala pa tayong signals to buy SECB, so stay away from it for the meantime. Lagyan nyo lang muna sa watch list niyo si SECB. Sorry about that. Andrew Torres, good evening, sir. Good evening. Alexis Lopez, good evening, sir. Lloyd Pasilip naman po ng BDO, MBT, and Pure Gold. BDO. Si BDO, ito yung call natin Right? This is what I'm telling you. My position calls are right here. Right? Breakout. That's a good call right there. Right now, pag nasa taas na, mahirap na i-trade to. At this point, we don't have a clear signal of how to enter this one. At least meron tayong triangle pattern dito. At the very least, pwede nyong pa-breakoutin yan bago kayo pumasok kay BDO. But I tell you, it's gonna be very challenging to trade it here already. So yeah, let it break out na lang muna from BDO. But I will tell you, medyo tagilid na ako dyan. Iwan ko na yan. Dati sinabi ko sa inyo, lagay nyo na sa watchlist yung sa BDO pag nag-breakout sa kanyang pasukin. Medyo naiwan na tayo doon. So wag nyo nang pinitin ang trades doon. MBT naman, breaking MA20. So somehow, look at Bollinger Bands. Pag nagsisikip sa Bollinger Bands, that means the prices are stabilizing. It's been stabilizing at this point. The stabilizing point is this support right here. So this is the best entry for MBT at this point. Malapit tayo sa resistance. So I will not recommend that at this point. Pure Gold, tignan natin. Pure Gold. Ito si Pure Gold. Alright, resistance for Pure Gold. Ito naman, sabihin ko sa inyo. Ito, ang abangan ninyo. Let it break out. This is gonna be a cup and handle pattern right there. Let it break out from this resistance. Pag nag-break out yan, pasukin nyo guys. Right, for Pure Gold. That's gonna be your trade. And then, if ever it fails naman, because it can fail, at least low risk kayo kasi may support kayong babasehan the previous resistance. As for Pure Gold, I like that trade. Breakout lang muna. Irene Suzuki, konbanwa. Sir Lloyd, excited din to join Valkyrie from Irene. Konbanwa din sa inyo dyan. Are you in Japan? But anyways, magandang gabi sa inyo dyan. Bukas, mag-update ako about Valkyrie. We'll talk about it also. Aside sa topic natin bukas about BTID and VULs, getting VULs. Okay? Leonilo Texon, CDC and VLL. CDC. Alright, Cityland. We were talking about the pullback of Cityland. Actually, ito na yung bounce eh. I would say this is a buy, man. Nag-bounce na siya kanina. Medyo nagka-sell off lang. But the volume's great, man. So I think this is still good. Pero MA20 is gonna be our support. Medyo high risk yung trade na yan. So, already have a bounce. Get in near MA20 as much as possible for CDC. VLL. Kamustahin nga natin to si VLL. Hindi ko na to yun, downtrend pa. After breaking MA20, did go on a downtrend at this point. Let's see. Tingnan muna natin. Support is right here in this area. So, tingnan natin saan pa siya pupulutin. It's closing below Bollinger Bands, right? If you already know about Bollinger Bands, when it closes below the Bollinger Band, then that means there's momentum on the downside. So, baka bumaba pa ito. So, no signals yet for VLL. Stay away from it for the meantime. Pero, ganda yung position ni VLL, napakamura. I'll be watching this since stabilization point na siya. Ito. Actually, pwede nyo na itong bodegahin as long as you can get in near